Well, it's Tuesday morning. I made it to Tulsa. I got my car out from being stuck yesterday, and I wasn't able to take a video of that because it was kind of dark out. So anyway, this is a parking lot down here in Tulsa where I park at, and pan around here for everybody that isn't familiar with Tulsa. There's the building I work in right there. So anyway, I'm just gonna walk up the street here, and you can see what kind of a mess this is. Well, actually, I don't think I'm gonna walk up the street. Walk up through the parking lot. Looks like the sidewalk's kind of a mess there. But looks like the city streets pretty good. I didn't have too much of a problem getting in, getting out of Wagner last night, or well, not last night, but this morning was a little bit rough. The neighborhood street was the biggest concern. Once I got out onto the main roads, it's pretty good. I did go into the Walmart in Wagner last night, stocked up on food, because I'm expecting, from what they're saying tonight, that it's going to get bad again. So made sure that I have plenty of food on hand, and since I'm more or less a Coke addict, not the drug, I went and bought a lot of Coke to drink. And so I bought 4 cases of that. So if I'm stuck the rest of the weekend like I was last week, I'll have plenty to drink. I got plenty of canned food, plenty of things that are better than snacks. I didn't really buy any snacks this time. I decided to focus more on healthy food, fruits, vegetables, and things like that. So, anyway, I'm going to cross the street here, head up along here, and try and overcome some of this snow that's been piled up out here. So, anyway, this should give you a pretty good idea of what I'm facing today, and as I said, I think they said we're supposed to get like 4 to 6 inches more of snow tonight through tomorrow, so chances are I won't be at work tomorrow, or maybe not even the rest of the week, depending on if I have the same problem of getting out of the driveway and out of the neighborhood as I had this past week. But I do plan to go buy a shovel today. I heard that most of the snow shovels have probably been bought up, so I'll at least buy something to use. And I don't plan to park my car way up in the driveway. I'm planning to park it down by the road, and that way if they come around and actually plow the road, then I'll out of the driveway, and hopefully it'll work. Maybe not tomorrow, but I'm hoping I can make it in on Thursday. It's not a real great thing to have to use up vacation time, although I don't really take too many vacations anyway, because not having the access to money to do that. There's a good shot of the downtown area, and it's getting up here close to where I work, and well, this isn't too bad of a walk in nice weather, but on a day like today when it's about 20 degrees out, it's pretty cool. And I seem to get out of breath a little more, but of course it's also kind of hard to walk and hold the camera and talk at the same time. So Good thing I'm not chewing gum. So, anyway,